How to duplicate a page on Webflow. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to duplicate a page you created for your Webflow design. So what you can do is open your Webflow account and open the project that you are currently working on. Once you have opened the design or the Webflow project that you have, what you need to do is on the left side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see that there are the tools that you can use and the tools that you will be using to navigate your design here. So what you'll need to do is the page icon. That is where you'll be able to duplicate the page here for your Webflow design. So let's go here on the left side panel of the screen. Just right below the navigator here, you'll see pages, and you can choose on what page you'd like to duplicate here. So let's say we'll be duplicating the home page here. What you need to do is just click on the gear icon here and just simply click on this icon for duplicate. That's right beside the close button. When you click on duplicate, it automatically routes you to the settings of the duplicated page. So either you can have the home copy as the name of your page, or you can remain it on your own. And that's how you'll be able to duplicate a page here on Webflow. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.